kangaroo hopping high, bouncing bubbles in the sky. L is for lion, loud and proud, roaring songs above the cloud. M is for moon, magic and light, singing lullabies every night. N is for nest, tucked in a tree, hummingbirds singing just for me. O is for octopus, 8 legs spinning, playing drums and always winning. P is for penguin in a parade, marching proud with lemonade. Q is for queen, crown so bright, riding unicorns through the night. R is for rocket, zooming away to candy planets far away. S is for sun, smiling wide, painting gold on the countryside. T is for tiger, tickling toes, wearing a silly stripy nose. U is for umbrella, bright and new, hopping colors, red and blue. V is for violin, soft and sweet, playing songs with dancing feet. O is for whale, splashing high, waving hello to butterflies. X is for xylophone, rainbow bright, clinking tunes by firelight. Y is for yacht, sailing free, waving at dolphins in the sea. Z is for zebra, zippy and quick, zooming by with a magic